The dream begins with an advertisement banner. These days, everywhere you go, people praise AI as the savior of the new era. On social media, from TikTok to YouTube, everyone is preaching about how to earn thousands of dollars with just a click, because AI can now do everything for you. No need to learn filming, no need to know how to write scripts, and no need to understand post-production. AI will take care of everything from A to Z. Many even assert that if you don't embrace AI right now, you are falling behind. After hearing it so much, you might find yourself brainwashed without even realizing it. I started to enter the game, not just for fun, but with a real ambition, to become a millionaire in just a few months. After exploring a variety of topics from pet care to criminal case files, from future excavator technology to middle-aged women in bikinis, I have decided to choose the topic of health philosophy because this content is green, clean, beautiful, and relatively sustainable, with the potential to generate long-term passive income. This topic also has another advantage. The audience of older adults has plenty of time to watch videos and is not too picky, making it well-suited for the type of low-cost content produced by AI. The elderly in nursing homes turn on YouTube TV and can doze off from morning until night without anything else to do. Another audience that enjoys AI-generated content is children. Since they cannot differentiate, they do not have negative biases against AI. However, I am not keen on targeting this demographic because the RPM is very low. Moreover, thinking about contributing to a future generation that could become brain-dead and dull from staring at YouTube does not excite me much. Original idea: post one video every day. A year later, owning a YouTube channel with a steady passive income without needing to do much anymore. After 90 days, I have gained over 120 subscribers and more than 20,000 views. I must admit that I haven't been able to release videos consistently every day as originally planned, partly due to obstacles that I will gradually reveal to you in the next part of the video. What about revenue? When I first started, knowing that I was a newcomer, I ignored the advice of YouTube mentors and only dared to set a small goal of $1 million. As a result, after 3 months, I earned a staggering amount of $400. Looking at the recent achievements, it is clear that the AI adventure can be summed up in 2 words: disastrous. However, with my unyielding IQ, I believe this failure isn't quite enough to knock me down. On the contrary, thanks to this painful fall, I have learned valuable lessons to apply in more serious endeavors on my journey to conquer YouTube. It is undeniable that thanks to AI, creating videos has become much simpler and faster compared to traditional manual methods. In the past, regardless of the type of video we were making, we had to consider the costs of all stages, from ideas, scripts, dialogues, voiceovers, dubbing, matching images, and even uploading and optimizing keywords and thumbnails. Now, all these steps can be replaced by AI. Therefore, the algorithm gives certain priority to the channel. The reach is also higher than that of regular channels, making it easier for them to spread and attract views in the initial period after posting. However, the excessively high publishing frequency also leads to a very annoying phenomenon that people in the industry often refer to as new videos overshadowing old ones. This means that the lifespan of each video becomes shorter. For example, a channel may have a video gaining views in real time for 48 hours. But at the exact date and time, the AI automatically publishes a new video, causing traffic to shift to the new one. And a new video also means that we don't yet know its engagement metrics compared to the old video that is currently gaining views. The issue does not lie with AI, but with people. The motivation for creativity is gradually fading. Initially, I was very excited to see AI helping to save time. But as time went on, I felt increasingly empty. Each video became monotonous, lacking emotion and personal touch. I realized that creative inspiration is not a luxury, but a vital source of energy for any content creator. The real challenge: managing teams and systems. Success with AI does not depend on how many tools you know how to use, but on your ability to manage personnel, maintain production systems, control costs, reinvest at the right time. AI is a tool. But without the mindset of operating like a business, You are merely chasing trends and getting swept away in the wave of competition. So, should we continue creating AI content? The answer is yes, but without illusions. Don't dream of getting rich quickly. Combine AI with human elements: editing, personalization, creativity. Find a unique niche, avoid copying. Build a team if you want sustainable growth. And most importantly, clearly define your goals and limits. In summary, AI is not wrong. We are wrong when we believe it is a miracle. After a year of diligently diving into the journey of getting rich with AI, I did not become a millionaire, nor did I have a channel with 1 million views. But I gained something more important. I woke up from the dream. I realized that AI is not a magic wand. It cannot replace human creativity. It cannot convey emotions. It certainly cannot think for you, live for you, or turn you into a successful person overnight. It is just a tool, an extremely powerful, extremely fast, and extremely intelligent tool. But like any other tool, its effectiveness or uselessness entirely depends on the person wielding it. You are the chef, not the knife. You are the storyteller, not the microphone. You are the creator, not the code. If you are planning to venture into the world of AI content creation just because you've heard it's easy, trendy, or easy to make money, pause for a moment. Reflect on yourself. Then make your decision. What do you have? What story do you have to tell? What do you want to share? Do you have enough patience to learn, to try, to stumble, and to get back up? If the answer is not yet, then AI won't be able to help you. If the answer is yes, then AI can be a wonderful companion. As for me, after 3 months, I no longer chase the illusion of making quick money with AI. I choose to slow down, learn more thoroughly, and be more creative. I am not getting richer, but I am deeper, understand myself better, and know exactly what I am doing. If you are starting this journey, I won't stop you. But I hope you won't be as blind as I once was. Try, but don't dream. Learn, but don't be delusional. Fail, but don't give up. And if you are persistent enough, wise enough, and brave enough to wake up from the dream, you may very well go further than I have.